Hello everybody, welcome to my YouTube channel, or for those who are watching me on Facebook, welcome to my Facebook page where I post these videos every now and then, real short videos, tutorials on how you can make stuff in Blender. So today I want us to create this image right here in Blender. But first remember to like, subscribe, follow me on Facebook, turn on the notification button so that you don't miss out on any new videos. Otherwise, let's jump right in. Alright, so to start with, I'll push 1 on the keyboard, push Shift A, bring in an image, reference image, go to your folder, get your image. Alright, so I'll get my glass reference image. This box, delete, add, and I'll add a new mesh. I'll get a cylinder. I'll put this cylinder in X-ray mode, then come here, change this to edit mode, and I will move this all the way up to here. So I'm in point mode. I'll select these points at the bottom and I will move them all the way up like this. S to stretch. I'll stretch them following the glass, and I'll keep going down, pushing E and stretching to the bottom of the glass. So once I'm happy with what I have, I'll go to the top. I'll select the top surface, push 7 on the keyboard, push I to insert, push 1 again on the keyboard, and then push E to extend, then drag down, and continue stretching. So now I'll turn off the X-ray. Let me just leave edit mode. I'll select this image. That's our empty this side, and just turn it off. So we have a glass like this, and what we want to do here is we are going to add a modifier to this. So we come here on the spanner thingy and select this subdivide surface, then I'll just push this 3, and I'll turn the shade smooth on. I'll create a plane and I'll stretch it. I'll push S on the keyboard, then stretch it out. Push 1 on the keyboard, select the glass, and I'll move it up so that it sits right on top. I want to add a material to this, so now I'll come here, just click here on the plus sign, and I'll just say new. At this point you can say glass. I've already made this before, so I'll call this glass 003 and say save. Then I want to change my surface from principal BSD to glass right here. Click on this and I'll turn down the roughness, and also I'll change here where it says object to world, and I want to bring in a new node. Push Shift A on the keyboard, type environment, you bring this up and you open an image, an HDRI image which is in 8K. I'll add that and I'll drag this to that. I want to create a UV map, so I'll come here under UV. I want to bring in an image, so I'll go and search for my image. I have this texture for wood. I'll just drag it into Blender and drop it here, and I'll add a new material, say new, and now I have that. So I'll go back shading and I'll change this back to object, and I want to drag my image one more time, bring it here. I'll drag this image to that, change, we go into display render so that we see what we have. So now I'll just position my camera one last important thing is to change our render engine from Eevee to Cycles. Alright, thank you for watching. Be sure to like, subscribe on Facebook, like my page, and well, bye bye.